नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है रोविन कुमार सिंह और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल एकेडमिक कलेक्शन। जी हाँ दोस्तों, तो आज सीरीज़ नंबर 4 में आपका स्वागत है। जी हाँ दोस्तों, आपको बता दूं कि इस सीरीज़ के मैं 1, 2 और 3 की वीडियोज़ ऑलरेडी मेरे प्लेलिस्ट में मिल जाएगी आपको। और चलिए देखते हैं नेक्स्ट सीरीज़ नंबर 4। 3 सीरीज़ में अप टू 100 क्वेश्चन कवर है। चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लेते हैं। 101 Who of the following is the only chief of air staff to be given the rank of marshal of the Indian Air Force? मीन्स इंडियन एयर फोर्स के कौन से ऐसे वो जो चीफ ऑफ एयर स्टाफ थे, जिनको केवल चीफ ऑफ आर्मी स्टाफ थे, जिनको रैंक ऑफ मार्शल दिया गया, तो वो थे अर्जन सिंह। The Chief of Air Staff Arjun Singh was the only Chief of Air Staff who has been given the Marshal of Indian Air Force. Next question: which agreement has the honor of having the most number of Paramveer Chakra? This question is asking Paramveer Chakra awardee. This question is asking about which regiment has the maximum number of Paramveer Chakra awardees. It means the right answer is Grenadiers. Grenadiers regiment has the maximum number of awardees. Mention in comment box that name of the 3 awardees. There are 3 awardees in the Grenadiers regiment. Next question: India liberated Goa from the Portuguese. When Goa was liberated from Portuguese? Then Goa was liberated from Portuguese in 1961. C option is correct. Next question is: what is the lowest commission rank in the Indian Air Force? Question is: what is the lowest commission rank in the Indian Air Force? The lowest commission rank in Indian Air Force is a flying officer. I must tell you for your information, the lowest rank in the Indian Army, as you know, is the lieutenant. And comment in comment box what is the lowest commission rank of Indian Navy in officers. Next question is: the members of Rajya Sabha are elected by. This question is asking by which matter who are the members who select the Rajya Sabha members. The elected members of Legislative Council used to select the members of Rajya Sabha. Next question is: a money bill passed by the Lok Sabha is deemed to have passed by the Rajya Sabha also when no action is taken by the upper house. This question is telling that if any money bill which is not passed by the Rajya Sabha, the upper house, within how long it can keep with it? So that the right answer is 14 days. मतलब एक मनी बिल अगर लोकसभा से पास हो जाती है तो राज्यसभा उसको कितने दिन तक के लिए अपने पास सस्टेन कर सकता है? तो it can be sustained by Rajya Sabha for 14 days only. After that it is deemed to have passed. Next question is: who administers the oath of office to the president? Who administrates the oath of office to the president? The right answer is Chief Justice of India used to administers the oath of office to the president. Next question is: which one of the following bill must be passed by each house of the Indian Parliament separately by special majority? This question is asking there must be separately major special majority, means from both the houses it must be in a special majority. Which type of bill used to pass by a special majority in both the houses? That is constitution amendment bill? If there is any constitution amendment bill, it must be passed by both houses through a special majority. Next question is, which one is not a fundamental right in the Constitution of India? You know, guys, there are 6 fundamental rights are in our Indian Constitution. Right to property have been recently removed. Comment in comment box when it has been removed. And then right answer is right to property is not a fundamental right. Next question is, the members of Rajya Sabha are elected for a term. राज्य सभा के मेंबर्स कितने दिनों के लिए, मतलब कितने अवधि के लिए नियुक्त किए जाते हैं, इलेक्ट किए जाते हैं? दैट इज ए टर्म फॉर 6 years. Next question is this, guys, viewers, I must tell you this video may be long because I am covering 50 questions in this very video. So watch till end and watch and repeat, then you will learn all the question. And I must tell you, maximum questions, if you have covered this all, you can find 2 up to 5 questions from this video itself. Next question, the first union budget of independent India was presented by? जो फर्स्ट इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया का जो यूनियन बजट था वो किसके द्वारा प्रेजेंट किया गया था? बाय होम इट वाज प्रेजेंटेड? इट वाज प्रेजेंटेड बाय आर.के. शाहमुखम छत्ती. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, एडवोकेट जनरल ऑफ स्टेट इज अपॉइंटेड फॉर a period of? Advocate General of State is appointed for a period of, you know guys, the Advocate General of State has no any specified period. Then right answer is no fixed tenure used to sustain for Advocate General. Next question is, Comptroller and Audit General of India is not responsible for? Comptroller and Audit General of India is not responsible for making payments to the state. It's responsible for regulating Reserve Banks of India. It's responsible for use of money from the consolidated form, and this is all. He is also responsible for accounting of states and union territories and auditing of all government institutions, but it can be central government or state government. Next question is, what is the period of fiscal / financial year in India? You know guys, in India fiscal year start from 1st April and end up to 31st March. Next question is, who are the targeted group under Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana scheme? Question is asking, under Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana scheme, which class of people have been targeted to? Then the right answer is alpha, BPL people in rural areas. The people below poverty line in rural areas have been targeted under Pradhan Mantri Gramodaya Yojana to give them houses. Next question, paper currency first started in India. When was paper currency started in India? Then the right answer, paper currency started in India in 1861 with Indian Currency Act. Next question is, who is known as the father of White Revolution? Father of White Revolution, who is known as father of White? V. Kurian is known as father of White Revolution. You know guys, White Revolution means milk and egg production. Comment box if you know and find out that who is the father of Green Revolution. Next question is, which among the following is the oldest public sector bank of India? The oldest public sector bank of India is Imperial Bank. You know guys, if you are preparing for another examination as PC, this video will be helpful for you, and as it covers more than 50 question and plus additional information. Next question is, excise duty is a tax levied on the, एक्सरसाइज ड्यूटी एक टैक्स है जो चार्ज किया जाता है. किस पे चार्ज किया जाता है? व्हेन द गुड्स यूज टू प्रोडक्ट, मतलब जो गुड्स का प्रोडक्शन होता है उस पर एक्साइज ड्यूटी चार्ज किया जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द फर्स्ट इंडियन प्राइवेट कंपनी टू साइन एन अकॉर्ड विथ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ म्यांमार फॉर ऑयल एक्सप्लोरेशन इन 2 ऑफशोर ब्लॉक्स इन दैट कंट्री। कौन सा वो इंडियन प्राइवेट कंपनी है जो एक अकॉर्ड साइन किया है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ म्यांमार के से ऑयल एक्सप्लोरेशन के लिए इन 2 ऑफशोर ब्लॉक्स इन द कंट्री। मतलब म्यांमार कंट्री में कौन सा इंडियन प्राइवेट कंपनी है जो अकॉर्ड साइन की थी गवर्नमेंट ऑफ म्यांमार से ऑयल तेल का खोज करने के लिए, तेल का एक्सप्लोरेशन करने के लिए इन 2 ऑफशोर ब्लॉक्स। तो that company name is Essar Oil. Next question is the term bull and bear are used in. This is a very frequently asked question. The term bull and bear used in a stock exchange. Next question is which one of the following nation has faced severe economic crisis in the year 2005 resulting in default in repayment of IMF loan? You know IMF means, comment in comment box what IMF stands for. You know the country which has faced severe economic crisis in the year 2015 was Greece. Next question is the financial capital of India is, the financial capital of India, as you know, very simple, is Mumbai. Next question is a device which convert AC into DC is known as, a device which convert AC into DC is known as a rectifier. Next question is leakage of which of the following gases has caused the Bhopal gas tragedy? You know guys, when Bhopal gas tragedy has been occurred, there are many people died in that. It was caused by methyl isocyanate. Next question is when a gas is turned into a liquid, the process is called, when gas turn into liquid, the process called condensation. These are the 3 different process you must know. If I will cover all that, video may go long, so that I will make a separate video for these topics. Next question is 127. Water boils at low temperature on the hills because, वाटर बॉयल होता है लो टेम्परेचर पर, हिल्स पे वाटर बॉयल हो जाता है. वाई? बिकॉज देयर इज अ डिक्रीज इन एयर प्रेशर ऑन द हिल्स. एयर प्रेशर कम होता है हिल्स पे, सो दैट वाटर यूज टू बॉयल at a lower temperature on the hills. Next question is what type of mirror is used by motorists to see the road behind them? Very simple, as you know, convex lens used by the motorists to see the road behind them. Next question, noise pollution is measured in decibels. Next question is purest form of water. You know guys, purest form of water we used to get from rainwater. Rainwater is the purest form of water. Next question, yeast used in making bread is a yeast which the bakery factory used to make bread is a fungus that used to expand the bread and used to in expansion of bread. Next question is which of the following planets has almost the same mass, size and density in given as the earth? दोस्तों ये पूछ रहा है कि कौन सा ऐसा प्लैनेट है जो अर्थ के समान होता है, मतलब इन मास, साइज एंड डेंसिटी. तो दैट इज वीनस. वीनस इज द सेम in mass, size and density as compared to the earth. Next question is the infrared radiation by the sun are strongly absorbed by. Strong here is a fact. यहाँ एक बात क्लियर करना है. एब्जॉर्ब, द इंफ्रारेड जो रेडिएशन आता है सन से वो एब्जॉर्ब करता है. कौन एब्जॉर्ब करता है? मैक्सिमम एब्जॉर्ब किसके द्वारा किया जाता है, तो वो वाटर वेपर्स के द्वारा एब्जॉर्ब किया जाता है। ओजोन लेयर क्या करता है, आपके दिमाग में चल रहा होगा, यू दैट इट विल बी हंटिंग, मे बी it would be hunting if you don't have the clear figure about this. Ozone used to reflect the infrared rays, but उसके बाद जो भी इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशंस के रेज आते हैं उसको ओजोन लेयर को पार करके उसको वाटर वेयर मैक्सिमम स्ट्रांगली एब्जॉर्ब करता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज सुल्तान अजलान शाह कप इज एसोसिएटेड विथ विच स्पोर्ट्स। सुल्तान अजलान शाह कप किस खेल से संबंधित है, दैट इज एसोसिएटेड विथ हॉकी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 2017 FIFA Under-17 World Cup will be hosted by which country? This is the current affairs at that time. In 2017 FIFA Under-17 World Cup was hosted by India. Next question is which country will host Olympic 2020? You know guys, in Olympic 2020 the Olympic is to be hosted by Japan in Tokyo. Next question is India won its first Olympic hockey gold in. When India won its first Olympic gold in hockey, India won first Olympic hockey gold in 1948 in London. Next question is the Indian football team made its first appearance at Olympic in. When Indian football team made its first appearance at Olympic, that was also in 1948 in the Olympic hockey gold. When the India got Olympic hockey gold, तभी यह फर्स्ट अपीयरेंस किया था in 1947 in London. Next question is India got the following number of gold medals in 2016 Paralympic. India got how many, means in the given options how many gold medals India got in 2016? Then there was only 2 medal which India got in 2016 Paralympics. Next question is Arjuna Award were instituted in the year. When was Arjuna Award instituted? Was instituted in 1961. Next question is who was the first ODI captain for India? First ODI captain for India was Adit Wadekar. Next question is which country is the current hockey world champion? Which country is current hockey world champion? At that time in 2017 when this paper was conducted, that was Australia. And right now comment in comment box who is the champion of hockey in current. Next question is Johnson Chinappa is related to the game of. Johnson Chinappa is related to the game of squash. Squash is a game which is played under the boundary under the 4-hole. Next question is which of the following book is an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? The autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam is Wings of Fire. Next question is Panchtantra is originally written by. Panchtantra is originally written by Vishnu Sharma. Next question is the famous book Anand Math was authored by. Anand Math was authored by Bankim Chand Chattopadhyay. Next question is the Mansabri system introduced by Akbar was borrowed from the system in. Mansabri system introduced by Akbar was borrowed from the system which किस सिस्टम के द्वारा ये बोरो किया गया था मानसदरी सिस्टम? दिस वाज ए मिलिट्री सिस्टम अंडर द रूल ऑफ अकबर that was borrowed from Mongolia. The right answer is Mongolia. This question. Next question is which of the following is similar to the Taj in construction? कौन सा in construction मतलब बनावटी रूप से ताजमहल के समान है? तो बीबी का मकबरा is the same in construction as the Taj Mahal. Next question is Indus Valley people had trade relation with Indus Valley पीपल के का ट्रेड रिलेशन किससे था? That was from the people of Mesopotamia. Mesopotamia people have also the trade relation with Indus Valley people. Next question is, which one among the following is the oldest dynasty? Among the following oldest dynasty is Maurya dynasty. Friends, my viewers, this video ends here itself, and to watch more videos and subscribe my channel and go in playlist, you will got the series from series 1 to 4, and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon to get notified when I upload any video. Till then, goodbye, thank you, take care.